Welcome to the Holiday Inn Express, Anaheim West. The hotel is less than 2 miles to Knott's Berry Farm and less than 5 miles to Disneyland. The hotel has free parking, which is definitely a bonus. As you enter into the hotel, this is the lobby. The staff here were very attentive and helped us with any inquiries that we had. And just behind the lobby featured this large seating area, which also had a small business desk. And when staying at the Holiday Inn, make sure that you enroll in the IHG One Rewards program. As points earned can quickly add up. And here is where you can get free all-day tea and coffee. Breakfast is served here every morning, and I'll show you what it was like later in the video. There's a good sized pool if you fancy a dip during your stay. Heading into the room itself, you can see that there are 2 queen-size beds, which we found to be slightly on the firm side. And on the nightstand between the 2 beds is a telephone and a clock. And behind those is 2 outlets and a USB socket. 2 additional outlets below the chair. This whole desk area was super convenient. The lamp comes with a multi-voltage socket for international plugs, something I've not seen at a US hotel before. It's a large flat screen TV with 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs. Beneath there is a large drawer. Next to this is a luggage shelf, and above that is 2 more sockets and 2 coat hooks. Then there's a good sized wardrobe and a full size mirror. Inside the wardrobe is an ironing board, some clothes hangers and a safe. And this is the control for the air conditioning. This is a small utility area before you get into the bathroom, with a sink and a well-lit mirror to the left-hand side. And opposite that is a microwave, a tea and coffee maker, and a fridge, which we use to keep our water cool. And heading into the bathroom, there are clean towels and a hairdryer. There were dispensers on the wall in the shower, which had shampoo, conditioner and shower gel, which definitely seemed a lot more of a premium product as they smelt great. And the shower itself had a really good pressure. And after spending a night at the hotel, it was time to go downstairs for the free breakfast, which is such a good bonus, especially in this economy. They offer a good choice of fruit and cereal, and a choice of freshly squeezed juice and eggs in the fridge, which did feel a little random. The freshly baked cinnamon sweet rolls were an absolute winner. If you wanted something more healthy, you could always go for some oatmeal. But I decided to go for some freshly made pancakes with maple syrup. And they were so easy to make, even I could do it. Over here was a choice of muffins and bagels, and a couple of toasters with the selections of jams. And if you fancy some hot items, there were sausages and scrambled eggs. Once again, the choice of tea or coffee to start your day off right. And over here was some more additional seating. And opposite is a small shop where you can buy some snacks and drinks before you head out for the day. Many thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing.